What's up, YouTube? The day is finally here. The day I make you listen to what a 16,000 RPM engine sounds like when you put a beautiful sounding Coffman exhaust that is made specifically for the ZX-4RR. This exhaust is made from 304 grade stainless steel that is known for its excellent corrosion and heat resistance. And this is available only in the United States. I was lucky to get my hands on one of these, and we will talk more about the price, the variants available, and of course how it sounds. I will also share the clip of my first ride back home after I got this exhaust fit. So stay tuned, this video will blow your mind. Coffman is a family-run motorcycle exhaust manufacturing company, not too big and famous like the Acra, Arrow or the SE project, but they make some decent exhausts. This exhaust they made for the ZX-4RR is one of their best-selling and popular exhausts. Let's talk about the variants first. You get two variants for the ZX-4RR. One is the Thunder and the other is the Classic variant. The one right here is the Classic version and it weighs only 1.1 kgs. That is some insane weight loss with just one mod because the stock exhaust of the 4RR weighs about 9 kilos. The Thunder version on the other hand is a louder, costlier and a heavier variant. The reason I did not go for it is because I wanted the bike to lose some weight, and also because I liked how neat the Classic version looked, like it's hardly there. There is a slight price difference between the two versions. This exhaust costed around 26,000 rupees when I convert to Indian rupees. That is about $300. And if I had ordered and shipped directly to India, it would have costed me around 42,000 rupees including the shipping and customs. So I waited for almost 6 months, and when a friend was making a trip from US to India, I ordered it and I saved some money. Now let's listen to the roaring sound of this exhaust followed by a clip of my first ride. Stay tuned. So how did you like the sound of the Coffman exhaust on the 4RR? Honestly, I feel it's pretty loud because so many people were giving it a second look and some were worried what was coming from behind and started giving way. I will be doing more flyby and cold start videos in the future, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, this is your riding brother, the Deccan Rider, signing off. See you in the next one. Cheers.